as the teardrop of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka is well known for its colorful culture. It embraces a variety of traditions, beliefs, and spiritual practices. A large percentage of the country follows Buddhist practices. Buddhism is the fourth largest religion in the world, with over 520 million followers. Victoria lives in the city of Colombo. She's a retired teacher who chose to return to the classroom. Retirement didn't stop her from using her skills to help one of the most unreached people groups in society. Victoria saw an opportunity to minister to children with special needs by providing a free education curriculum just for them.
Our goals, it is helping our church and helping our members to become involved and helping the community and helping autistic children, and this will bring them at last to the church.
For several years, Victoria used her sister's house to teach parents and their kids, but she really wanted to build a school. She partnered with the Adventist Church, and they have named the school Zion. This school operates on donations and has endured many financial challenges. Through faith and perseverance, the school has earned recognition and appreciation from parents who found the curriculum suited for their children.
Teachers was very amazing. They are well knowledgeable about autism, special needs children, and they are very kind. I believe they can develop the children's behaviors and knowledge. They can do something very different here.
These teachers didn't come here trained for this type of education. They received training from Victoria for several months before they ran their own classrooms.
I am a person who doesn't have so much of patience, but I developed my patience while I was working in Zion preschool with the kids. With the grace of God, I have to say that I managed to do well with the kids.
Trust in God and you can do anything with Him.
I cannot say how much these teachers are caring for my child. They're very dedicated teachers.
Classes founded in love and care are making a big impact on the children and parents at this school. Please pray for Victoria and all the teachers who are involved with these wonderful kids. Pray for more people to be reached through Christ's method of ministry by meeting needs. Thank you for supporting Global Mission, which reaches out to unreached people groups like this.